Okay guys, we just reached 40 degrees. Still washing away.
Sorry.
That's fine. Not very sudsy for that bold stuff, is it? Very...
No, it's no suds, isn't it?
No, it's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why it said low suds. Did it say low suds on the box, did it? Or...
Yeah.
That's really good, isn't it? Where did you get that stuff from? Was it on eBay or something?
Something like that, yeah. I've had it.
Oh, right. Just never got round to opening it.
Yeah, pretty much.
But have you used it on occasions, or is this the first time you've used it?
I've used it on my Keymatic video and video of the Colson washer dryer.
Oh, right. Oh, yes, was that when Brandon came and all sorts?
I did them in my own video. I don't know if I use it on Brandon came, yeah, actually.
I'm not sure.